welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go ahead and be closing out my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Before I do, I wanna say thank you again for everyone who has supported me and who is a part of my channel and leaves such great comments. It was really nice to see the comments on the giveaway of all the congratulations and all the things. I couldn't have done it without you guys. So again, I wanna say thank you. So I'm gonna take you guys over to my computer and I'm gonna show you me clicking the random comment picker. I believe I have 54 comments to pick from, so I will go ahead and get started with that so this video is not too long. It is Easter, so I'm trying to get this out as quickly as possible so I can get back to doing some Easter stuff with my family. So good luck to you guys and let's see who won. Okay, so we are here at the random comment picker. I have the video in the URL slot. I'm gonna go ahead and push start. Maybe? Oh, get YouTube comments, I'm sorry. 54 comments. We'll push start and let them go across. Let's see. Haley Quayler. Oh, Haley, that's so exciting. Yay, Haley, I'm so excited. You deserve this. It's a nice little Easter present for you. I'll get with you since you're local. I don't have to get your address or anything. I'll get with you locally and we can probably grab some lunch or something and I'll hand over your prize. I'm super excited you won. Thank you everyone for joining my giveaway. It was such a treat to be able to see some good comments and just to celebrate the 1,000 subscriber mark. And I hope you guys have a fantastic Easter and a very blessed day. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you so much.